Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be introducing all the sounds that Genji makes. I'll show you. Okay, let me go on.
Kai, Jin, Let's, Sai, Sem, Lim, Ryo, To, Sha, Kai, Jin, Let's, Sai, Sem. 人知れず神の許しを待ちしまに友人の剣をくれ！Just setting foot here sets 友人の剣をくれ！ An excellent fight. Attack the objective. Behind you. Eliminate the target. Enemy turret ahead. Fall back. Farewell. Flow like water. Genji here. Genji is with you. Hello. Honor the fallen. I am defending. I am healed. I am ready. I move to strike. I need armor. I need armor. I need healing. I need help. I need shields. I understand. I will make use of this. I will not falter.
This is almost every sound.
Unfortunate for you. I'm with you. It is an honor. It was nothing. 覚悟。俺は風だ。
The rest are actually Japanese words.
上等だ。もう一戦願おう。上等だ。もう一戦願おう。よし。もっとだ。その程度か。竜は我になる。電光石火。電光石火。精神一等。精神一等。精神電光石火。やるな。まだまだ。かまいたち。見事。風よ。決してひるむなよ。行くぞ。行くぞ。ありがとよ。我に宿る竜よ。戦いは終わらん。水のように流れ。風のごとく。追いつけるかな。
Okay, this is everything he says. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video, but I'm going to make one more sound again. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share it with your friends and also subscribe. Bye.